no son, that you should know that Allah is only one. Who else wants to be a Muslim? Put up your hand. Come in front. Come in front. Come in front and say La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Come here, sisters. Come here, sisters. Who else want to become a Muslim? Who else want to become a Muslim? This is the time for salvation. This is 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 salvation. Who else want to become a Muslim now? Who else want to become a Muslim? This is the time for salvation. Anybody who wants to be a Muslim, come up, come up, come up. Come up, come up, come up. Takbir! 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 This is Islam. Who else wants to become a Muslim? Who else wants to become a Muslim? This is the time for salvation. This is time for salvation. This is time for salvation. إذا جاء نصر الله والفتح ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا فسبح بحمد ربك واستغفره إنه كان توابا. Who else wants to become a Muslim? Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Come sister, come sister. This is the time for salvation. This is time for salvation. Where are the other brothers? Where are the other brothers? This is the time for salvation.
Welcome. Welcome. Welcome to the religion of peace. Welcome to the religion of Jesus Christ and all the prophets. Welcome to the true salvation. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Allahu Akbar.
All the Muslims keep quiet first.
Keep quiet, please. Keep quiet, brothers. Keep quiet.
Who else wants to become a Muslim? This is the time that you are supposed to know the truth. If you have known the truth, and the truth will set you free. Bi-idhnillah al-kareem. How many of you are happy?
Amr.
Sure. Okay. Should I go back to Kenya? I stay here? Okay, inshallah. If you are getting, okay.
Want you to attention.
Inshallah. Okay, this is the time that Allah Tabaraka wa Ta'ala has made it the time. Who else wants to become a Muslim? This is the time that you should decide for yourself. Where is the other sisters? Call her. This is the time now. Welcome. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Girl can give me the answer. La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Okay, who else? Where are they? Allahu Akbar.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Please maintain the same discipline you show. Can we sit? Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Takbir!
The sister has got. The sister has. MashaAllah, gabadhi na waiting. Isdiyaariya, kuwa meesha la guursan diyaar. Isdiyaariya, mid walba mid xaafadda la tago. Waxaa soo baro.
Assalamu alaikum. Do you want them to take shahada? Yes. Take your seat. Please take your seat. You need discipline in faith. Take your seat. Sisters, take your seat. If you still want to embrace Christianity, you can still come forward. Sheikh, please sit down. Sheikh Abdurrahman Ukun, Jazakallah. Tell them to sit down. Perisi. Sheikh, the queue nicely ahead.
police, Royal, police. Assalamu alaikum.
We don't have